Hello everyone, Trey here with I'm Just a Guy. So I thought I'd bring you another video update. So at some point I decided to go ahead and switch from a regular gray PLA, is what I used to always print all of my models out at, and then airbrush them to the correct color pieces, to colored PLA. So I thought we would start this off with Starscream. Yes, that's right. Starscream is printed in colored PLA. You can find these amazing files at toymaker3d.com, and I absolutely love this model. No, you cannot, no, he does not come with, he does not come with the mini Megatron gun. I actually found the file for that model, STL file, at Thingiverse. That's THINGI verse.com, Thingiverse.com. But here he is, Starscream, the second in command to the Decepticons, or as he likes to think, the new leader of the Decepticons. He is not transformable, but he is fully articulate. He has multiple points of articulation, and oh my goodness, he absolutely looks amazing on the shelf. Once again, you can find the files at toymaker3d.com. I printed everything out in colored PLA, and he just looks fabulous. Join in on the conversation down in the comments below. Subscribe if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.